I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I am here in downtown Sykesville, Maryland on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. I'm here at the Main Street crossing. Right here is the Sykesville station, which is now a restaurant. And as always, I got to show the train art right there as well. And right now, I am awaiting westbound intermodal train I-137, which originates in Penn Mary Yard in Baltimore, Maryland, and it terminates in Bedford Park, Illinois. And this I-137 supposedly has CSX 1776 on it, the spirit of our armed forces. Of course, I've already seen this locomotive 3 times at this point, so this will be time number 4, and it might be leading. I'm not sure. It was on I-138 a few days ago around the time I'm filming this, but it was a DPU facing west, so hopefully they didn't spin the power, and if they didn't, it will be leading right here through downtown Sykesville. But regardless, it is on this train, and the other locomotive is CSX 972, so I hope you guys enjoy this video of I-137 heading westbound up the Old Main Line subdivision here in downtown Sykesville with CSX 1776, Spirit of Our Armed Forces on it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Here it is. Oh yeah, that's 1776. Awesome. Yep. Thank you all veterans, past, present, those who of course have also, or especially those who have given the ultimate sacrifice, putting all of our lives in front of theirs. Thank you all for all you do for this amazing free country. And that's the thing, I love that CSX honors those who keep us safe in this country by making those pride in service locomotives. And you guys got to admit, they have amazing paint schemes. So yeah, with 1776 up front, that means locomotive 972 is the DPU. It is a cold one tonight. It is about 25 degrees. This is December 20th, 2022. And here's the DPU already. It's a cold night, but you guys know I like to stick around and catch these cool trains for you guys, especially when it's got something like 1776 leading. That's a pretty neat looking trailer there. Yeah, 137 and 138 honestly vary in length. Now we got another trailer. Cool. It looks like we got bare tables. That might be how it is the rest of the way. Not sure. Hasn't even been 3 minutes, and I get the sense that the back of this train is already approaching. But I could be wrong. 137 is usually way more of an empty train than 138, but it varies, like I said. honestly want this train to end because I'm so cold. My ears, my hands, my face, they're all hurting, but it's worth seeing 1776 leave. Especially on the old main line. Now I just gotta get it in daylight leading. Oh, the end is here. I see the FRED flashing. Yay. Alrighty. I-137 with 1776 in the lead. The spirit of our armed forces. Once again, thank you all veterans. And here at the Sykesville, or in downtown Sykesville, Maryland, on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision, at the Main Street crossing, this is the Old Main guy signing off. And everyone watching this video, have a great day.